Hello everyone, today I will show you how to post full pictures on Instagram. And here's how it is done. First, when I try to upload a full picture on Instagram, you can see that when I pinch to zoom out, Instagram doesn't allow me to show the entire image. It gets cropped. To fix this, we will use an app to help. Here's what to do. Close Instagram and open your App Store. Search for an app called Square Fit. While you can use other apps, I prefer this one. Once you have installed it, open the app. You can use the free version, which is what I use, by tapping the X in the top left to skip the premium option. Tap New at the bottom left, then choose Photo and pick the image you want to upload. Pinch to adjust the image so it fits without cropping. You can also adjust the canvas size by tapping Canvas if you need to change the aspect ratio. Once you are happy with the photo, tap Save in the top right. Confirm by tapping OK when asked if the app can save your photo. Close the SquareFit app, go back to Instagram, and tap the Post button. Now you can upload the full picture without it being cropped. And that is everything you need to know about how to post full pictures on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.